नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो दोस्तों, आई होप आपको हमारा डांस परफॉर्मेंस इस ट्यूटोरियल से रिलेटेड पसंद आया है। आज सीखेंगे कि हमने ये डांस कैसे करना है। सो वी आर गोइंग टू गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, बट बिफोर आई गो अहेड गाइज, एवरी मूवमेंट दैट वी डू, जो भी मूवमेंट हम करेंगे, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप गोविंदा जी को पिक्चराइज कीजिए, उनके अंदाज को समझिए गाइज। सो हियर वी आर with the first step. So when we start the start music, we are going to open our legs out. Okay, we are going to turn to one side, we're going to squat down and we're going to go punch. So we punch two counts, 1 and 2. ठीक है, यही से सामने straight हो जाओ. Then you go 3 and 4 and. Okay, now if you are not comfortable with the knee movement, अगर आप बहुत ही बेसिक या बिगिनर हो, अगर आपको ये कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो रहा है, यू कैन गो लाइक 1 2 3 and 4. दैट्स फाइन. यू कैन इम्प्रोवाइज एज पर योर कैपेसिटी गाइज. ठीक है, सो आफ्टर यू डू 2, योर हैंड्स आर गोइंग टू बी हियर. यू गो अप 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 अप. नाउ व्हाट आई मीन अप हियर इज व्हेन यू गो डाउन 1 and 2, you're still here, you go 3 and 4 and then you go slowly slowly up. Okay, now we're going to walk 2 counts forward. We go 1 and 2. We're going to carry ourselves. We're going to come with our style. So try to do this neck movement if possible. Otherwise, you can just walk. So you go like 1 and 2. Okay. Now from here, immediately open your legs out. Elbow out. You go 3 and 4 and. Okay. Let me show you again from the start. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so if you listen to the latest version from the movie Coolie number 1, जिसमें वरुण धवन, सारा अली खान है. I'm not talking about the original older version. We are doing this choreography on the latest song. Now, being the latest song, I've tried to choreograph this routine in such a way that we are going to add some flavors, some steps which are more relatable to the older song. ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ पे जो हम स्टेप कर रहे हैं, ये थोड़ा सा पुराने सॉन्ग से इंस्पायर्ड है, तो हम वहां से कर रहे हैं. Okay guys, after doing this step, we are going to now travel to one side. So we just go slide, our arms go to the opposite side. So while bringing our legs in, we go 2. Okay, now we'll go to that side now. Hands are going to go opposite side, you go slide. And then the leg that is going to come in, we go 2. Okay, so after we do this 2 sides, like first to one and then other, what we're going to do is just do some freestyle. Okay, so what I mean here is we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and we just go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This is going to be faster guys. ठीक है, so मैं slowly समझा रहा हूँ. अब यहाँ से वही स्लाइड वाली स्टेप हमें फिर से करनी है. So you go slide in, slide in. But now we are not going to do freestyle. We have some steps. So we go point, we go point, we go cross, we go turn and stop. Okay, so guys, यहाँ तक till here, this is all introduction music. After this step, this is where the lyrics start. Okay, you can hear the female voice starting here. Till here, we can consider it as the part 1 of this choreography. All right. So friends, whenever you practice, if you have any of these doubts, practice it in parts. So here we are done with the part 1. Let us do this once. Pura steps one by one. Okay. We're going to go slowly, guys. Don't rush. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Walk and walk and pose and pose and pose and pose. Go slide in and freestyle and freestyle. Slide in and point, take a cross and turn and stop. दोस्तों बढ़ते आगे. अब यहाँ से हमारा सेकेंड पार्ट स्टार्ट होगा, यानी जो लिरिक्स पार्ट स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है, सो द वर्डिंग्स दे स्टार्ट लाइक दिस. हुस्न है, पॉज एंड देन देयर इज अ बीट. टा टा. I'll repeat again. हुस्न है, pause, टा टा. Okay, the same again with the next line, that is इश्क है. So we go like इश्क है, pause, टा टा. Okay, so I'll show you how we use these beats with the next choreography. Okay, now as soon as we take a turn, we stop. Okay, Please make sure that when you turn and stop, the next step is going to be like this. It is going to start immediately. You don't have much time. Now, in this case, if you are not able to turn quick, faster, you can just slide back, take a pose, do some freestyle step, and then continue with the second part, what we are doing right now. Ready? Everybody, here we go. We're going to go now diagonally. Okay, so for me, it's my right. For you, it would be probably your left. So how we go here is, I'm going to go with one step forward, come in, and then I'm going to go wave and stop. Okay, I'll show you again. 5, 6, 7, go. One step forward, wave and stop. Okay, and then we step out, shift our weight on one side, and then on the other side. Okay, watch again. So I'm going to just show you this with the rhythm of the song. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. हुस्न है, pause, ta, ta. Okay, so the rhythm was like that, right? So how we go with the arm movements now? We're going to go with one step forward, and we're going to just slide our hands right in front of your face with the elbows coming on your shoulder level. Please don't do this. Okay, you go one, and with this we step forward. So you go one, and okay, now keeping your hands here still, we just go wave and stop. All right, now when I step out on the beat, I'm going to go one. So see, it's the opposite hand, opposite leg. Same on the other side, two. Okay, let me show you this part again. A quick 5, 6, 7, 8, and husn hai, wave, ta, ta. Okay, up next word. What is the next word? Ishq hai. So what we do here is we just keep a hand here. Okay, we're just going to tap here, and with this shoulder movement, we are going to bring the outer leg in, slowly sliding in. So what we do here is ishq hai, ta, ta. Okay, once again, ishq hai, ta, ta. Now the beat comes ta, ta. What I mean here is, earlier if you go back, what was the beat, guys? Husn hai, pause, beat, beat. Ishq hai, pause, beat, beat. Okay, so we did that beat, the earlier one here. Now we go ishq hai, ta, ta. You go beat, beat. So we're going to use our feet, cross it on the heel, cross it on the side, ta. So guys, remember till here, every line it had a pause. So husn hai, pause and some music. Ishq hai, pause and some music. Ab yahan se dosto, the next part, we are not going to have any pause. So it's going to be in a continuous way. Okay, so it goes like this. Husn hai suhana, ishq hai deewana. Don't follow me on the lyrics, I'm very bad at that, but let's try, let's go ahead. So what we do here, guys, is we're going to cross our feet. Okay, so हमारी last step कुछ इस तरह से खत्म हुई थी, 1 and 2. Okay, so you see your feet are already open. So what we do from here is we go cross. So the next step is cross your arms, cross your feet, open, slightly bend down from your knees. You go 1 and 2. Same way we are doing it on the other side, but with this step again, and 1 and 2. Okay, so it is husn hai suhana, ishq hai deewana. Go. Husn hai suhana, ishq hai deewana. Okay, now the next part, we're going to just do a normal camel walk. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And with this, we just go crossing our hips. I'll show you this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to add some girly walk movement into it. So we go like 1 and 2, hey, 3 and 4. After this, the next part is very easy. Just bring your back hand to the side on a shoulder level. The other hand, we're going to just step forward, keep your wrist loose, and we're just going to go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So after this step, guys, the lyrics are like this. Aake deewane mujhe seene se laga. So we're going to step back. We're going to call Deewane mujhe seene se laga. Okay, so it goes seene se laga. Okay, now what we do here is the hand that is going out, we're going to bring it back again in, but at that time this hand is going to go forward. So what I mean, we're going to go na. Okay, so it goes like this, na, na, na. So what we do from here, we go na, we bring this hand forward, na, and then na, 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 stop. So from here it goes like this. आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा, na, 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 na. Okay, the next part, गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया, stop. Okay, so what we do is, for the Goriya part, we just walk again 2 steps forward, and then opening our feet out, we're just going to slide our hands from our head back, rolling back, 2, 3, and 4. So watch guys, this movement, your elbows and the way you look to that side matters a lot. The way you shift your weight matters a lot. It is not just this. You see this difference? You are going to look that side. आप देखोगे उस तरफ. 1, 2, you go 3 and 4. So guys, यहाँ से हमारे सिर्फ main signature step रह जाती है जो पुराने videos में भी है. So you can see Govinda ji dancing on this with this step. Before we go ahead with this step, understand how it is done. So the best and the most important thing that you should be knowing here is, don't be very hard on your movements. Okay, so try to walk as softer as you can. Try to walk forward, but we are going to walk sideways guys. We are going to walk sideways. Okay, so what we do here is, what we are going to do here, we are going to just go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So initially we are just going to walk. We are not doing that complete movement yet. So here we go. Watch again. 5, 6, 7, go. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to just add the bounce movement. Okay, bounce. Okay, now when you bounce, it is not that you bounce on both the feet. Understand the difference? हम पीछे वाले पैर पे बाउंस होने वाले हैं और आगे वाला पैर हम उठाने वाले हैं. हम आगे वाले पैर पे बाउंस नहीं होंगे. Guys, understand the difference. Please don't do this. Okay, okay, stay on the back leg and just go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So if you see carefully, I'm locking my frame here. I'm not doing much of my upper body movements except the hand जो अभी हम करेंगे. बाकी movements still है. So we go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now once we are done with the main step, we are going to just add one extra step and then again get back to this main step. Let me show you again. 5, 6, we are doing this for the first time. 2 and 3 and 4. Now the next step is just like step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, 4 counts, and then again you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So friends, I hope you liked the tutorial. So without wasting any time, hit the like button, share us your views in the comment section, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon, because we are going to come up with a lot of amazing dance tutorials every day for you guys. Keep supporting us, keep encouraging us, and we wish you the same, and we wish you a happy and healthy life ahead. So take care everybody, and I'll see you soon in the next video.